Good evening. My name is Adison Harrison, and I'm a new tutor here on Wyzant. And I'm really excited to show you a different way to solve this problem. Now, the other tutors that have made their notes have given really great examples, and I just want to provide a different way to solve this problem so that you have more options to go off of. So let's first read the problem and then look at how I would solve this problem. So, the question says, what are the values of x in the equation 2x plus 2 squared equals 4? So essentially what this problem is asking us is it's saying we have a Cartesian coordinate system. And then we have a parabola going on the Cartesian coordinate system. And it's going to have two x-intercepts. It's saying, what are those two x-intercepts? Now, in order to do this, we cannot have this equal to 4, but instead must have it equal to 0. Because we need the y to be equal to 0. Because once the y is equal to 0, we know that we're on the x-plane. So let's take this problem, 2x plus 2 squared equals 4. And now I want to get everything on the left side. So first I'm going to factor out 2x plus 2. Equals 4. So we're going to use FOIL starting with the first. So that's 4x squared. And then we're going to go outer, which is plus 4x. And then we're going to go inner, plus 4x. And then we're going to go last, plus 4, equals 4. So now that we have it all factored out, I need to get rid of this 4 that's on the right side. Now if you notice, there's a 4 on the right side and on the left side. So those can be canceled out. So then we would be left with 4x squared plus 8x equals 0. So now I want to get rid of the 4 in front of this x squared. That way it's a little bit more manageable. So if we divide both sides by 4, we will then get x squared plus 2x equals 0. Now the last step is to simplify. Now in order to simplify, we see that there's an x in both of these terms. So we're going to take that x out, which is going to give us x plus 2 equals 0. So now that we have it in this simplified form, x times x plus 2 equals 0, we can now find the zeros. Now, in order for this to equal 0, either this part needs to equal 0, because then if it equals 0, anything times 0 is 0, or this part needs to equal 0, because again, if this equals 0, anything times 0 is 0, therefore we prove it to be true. Now, there's two ways for this to equal 0. Those two ways are if x equals 0 and if x equals negative 2. If x equals 0 there, then it's 0 times 0. And if x equals 0 here, then it's negative 2 plus 2, which is 0. So as we see, we just found the values in the equation of the two intercepts. We're going to have 0 and negative 2. That is our answer. So I hope that helped you maybe give you another option or another outlook on this problem of finding solutions, which is trying to get everything by themselves so we can have it equal to 0, and then finding the solutions either by simplifying or by expanding or by factoring. So now that we've looked at this, I hope you have a great rest of your day and you had a great time watching this video. Thank you.